In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Tableau. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once you're on the Tableau website, you'll either log in with your existing credentials or create a new account if you don't have one yet. This is essential because you need to be authenticated to access your workbooks, which is where the magic happens in Tableau. Once you're logged in, you'll have the option to create a new workbook or open an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, the new workbook option allows you to begin with a fresh slate. For those who already have data ready and waiting, simply clicking on an existing workbook will get you to where you need to be faster. Either way, you've now entered the workspace where filtering becomes a powerful tool to customize and refine your data visualization. Now, let's dive into the differentiating power of filters. In your workbook, find the field you want to filter and drag it to the filters shelf. This step is crucial as it opens up the filter dialog box, which is where you have access to multiple filtering options. The filters shelf is like your control center for honing in on the data points most relevant to your current needs. In the filter dialog box, you'll need to choose a filter type. Tableau offers several options here, such as general, condition, or top-end filters. Each type serves a different purpose. For instance, a general filter lets you narrow your data based on specific values, while a condition filter allows for more dynamic filtering based on certain criteria. The top-end filter is useful when you're interested in displaying the highest-ranking data points in a particular set. Selecting the appropriate filter type is key, as it ensures you're addressing your data analysis needs accurately. After choosing the filter type, it's time to define your filter criteria. This is where you specify conditions, like selecting particular values or setting a range, which tells Tableau which data points to include or exclude. Defining these criteria precisely will determine how effective your filter will be in providing the right insights. Finally, decide where you want this filter applied. If it suits your current analysis, you may choose to apply this filter to just the current worksheet. However, if you have similar data sprawled across multiple worksheets, you can opt to apply the filter to all worksheets using the same data source. For even more control, you can choose a selection of worksheets. This provides flexibility in how your filters impact the overall workbook, ensuring your data analysis is as coherent or as varied as you need it to be. Just like that, you're now equipped to filter data effectively in Tableau. By following these steps, you'll be able to harness the power of filtering to tailor your data visualizations to meet specific needs and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough simplifies your journey in data analysis with Tableau.